Guys, we are going for a competition. We want to run. We see who we run fast. Yes. Yeah. Like I said, what will determine the winner? Yeah. Yes. Who's counting for us? They kissed my boot. Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It's a happy, beautiful day over here. We are just raining with weeks and very nice, so that we can be ending our what you call like our weeks. Hello, hi. Yes, so those are our kids over here at this side. So it's just we have just remained with some few weeks and we'll be ending our good year 2024, and that will be so nice. So good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening, it depends on the place you're watching me from. Today is a beautiful day guys, and so windy today. Very nice and very windy. So please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and when you subscribe today, you'll be so much happy. So today is beach day, beach life day. Yes, mimi naitwa Claude. Claude Joseph. Hi. A small kid is just our neighbor here asking me, Claude, uncle. So they usually call me uncle over here. I'm the big dad, big uncle. So today is a beautiful day, beach life. So I'm just being accompanied by friends and Melo. So we are going for a swimming competition. So I want to just show you the coastal life over here and the beach life over here and how people just swim on the other end. I'm with the big boy Melo. Hey man, you are loaded. Come here. You are loaded. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Melo. Please make sure subscribe.
Yes.
Like and share. So we are going to the beach.
To the beach? So you're going to show us your skunks. How you're going to how to swim. Okay, so let's go see who is the best at swimming. Right? Guys, please subscribe to his YouTube channel at Melo Howie. And also we have my best friends over here. Hey, starting from True Boy.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes,
hey, today is Cape Life, man. And also we are with Charlie B.
Yeah, Charlie B.
Melo, can you go bring me a cape, please? My white cape. It's in the wardrobe, okay? Run and come with it. Yeah, I just forgot that it's so sunny.
Why should you copy us?
I should copy you. You know, you're the three musketeers. The three musketeers. So we need to be.
So sorry, that's why we
put up. But with me, I was in the house, so it was like I never came out. So I never felt the sun.
That's why you see we are the best.
Okay.
Yeah, just to go back and the change.
How are you enjoying coastal life? I know you're enjoying coastal life, True Boy.
Yes.
How are you enjoying coastal life?
For real, I'm not enjoying.
Why?
I'm really suffering from the hotness from this area. You know?
From the humid climate.
But since we have beach, we have ocean over here where we can swim
and cool yourself.
Then I can enjoy.
Okay.
But apart from that, it's just a normal life over here.
Okay.
Like building, roads, and everything.
Okay.
The food that we eat at home there,
okay,
the same food we eat here.
Over
it's only
here.
Like since it's more attractive of beaches, you know. That's why we come maybe to this place at least to enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least you know. Sometimes when we are
away from home, you change the environment.
Yeah, you change the environment.
Yes.
Sometimes you find that we had a lot of work over there.
Yeah,
so when we come here, at least we have at least to refresh our minds. Yeah, for it. And that's how it is. So anyway, guys, this is Mr. Trueboy 208 here.
Yes.
I'm so happy. I've just come to visit my brother here. I've not come to visit him. We have just come because
pass by.
Yeah. We are heading to swim.
Yeah.
Then from there we're gonna see
how beach life is.
Yeah, how beach life is.
Alright, and also you know how. Also comment down below. You know how your beach life is on your other side. Yeah. And also you're with Charlie B, the local man here.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, your beards are growing big.
Yeah, they call me Mr. Mabeard.
Mr. Mabeard.
Mr. because
yeah.
yeah, for real, I'm enjoying being with these my old friends. Yeah, you know, you and Mr. Truboy, you are just more than a brother. Yeah, more than friends. I mean, not more than a friend. Yeah, I'm enjoying. Yeah, today we are going. I think we are going just to enjoy. Yeah, beach life.
Hope you have carried your swimming costumes, man.
They are just inside.
Inside.
Yeah.
Everything inside.
Yeah.
Thank you, boy. Right? Thank you, man. So this is our boy Melo. So he just brought me in the cape. All right, man. So
Yeah.
let's head there.
Yeah,
and
let's go.
And subscribe to your YouTube channel at Charlie B.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
All right. Hey, man. Machine, Melo.
Yeah.
Be there.
Where?
Sit. Okay. Walking in the sunny beaches of Kenya, clean sandy beaches, and as you see, people make themselves clean. And I was told the best way to walk is to remove everything. So you see, all right. Melo, here we are, bro. Here we are. Are you happy? Now it's time to swim, right? It's time to show our tactics, guys, at this beautiful beach over here. So let's make ourselves what we call like busy while swimming. Also with True Boy, everybody around here. So we want to go inside the water. You can see it's a beautiful time. People are swimming very, very much. All right, guys, my village boys are already in the water, and it's so nice. So let's head in this clean beach, and we want to check and see who is in the water. Oh my god. My boys are in the water, so we want to check and see. For now, I don't have my water stick, but it's so nice. Let's go inside the water and see. Everybody here is just really enjoying his or her time. So I see True Boy somewhere. True Boy thinks that he's swimming, but he's not swimming. Look. Do you think I'm swimming? Bella, show them how people swim.
I know how to swim.
Oh, you don't know how to swim. Look how people swim.
Swim with me. Try one.
That's you, man. Okay, let's see True Boy. True Boy, can you swim? Let's see. Let's see True Boy. You're not going anywhere. You're just there. True Boy is just floating. How? Okay, swim with me. Swim. No, swim with me. You are not moving even an inch. Charles, can you swim with me? Yeah. Okay, come. Okay, come. Okay, let's start. Okay, go. You're just showing your feet. You just You're just, you know what? Yeah. You're just there.
No.
Yes. I was just You're not moving. Look how people swim, right?
Yeah.
Mellow my specs. You see me, I don't swim.
Now you are moving very slow.
But I swim.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Hold it tight, Mellow. You know sometimes hold it tight this way. Okay. No, this way. Hold it this way, this way. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, you can go and swim back.
Okay. What do you want to do? That's very far.
But the swim is very hard. So it is very good. I can float.
Let's see if you can float.
Yes.
Okay, come. Who is floating? Okay. Okay, you are floating. Okay, float we see. Yes, anyway. You can float backwards.
Yeah, that's how to float.
Okay.
Yeah, just see. You know how I'm floating.
Okay.
Now you know how to float.
That's you know how to float.
Yeah.
Move. Help me. Juma, you can float?
You can just try. I'm very heavy.
You can't be heavy. Water has no heavy. So you want to say you are heavy than... You want to say that he is heavy than a ship?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a man.
Try. Just try to float.
To try.
Yeah, just try.
Sing. This guy is drinking some water. Are you thirsty?
I haven't drinking any.
Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Hey. Oh, look how people swim. Ah, you see? Look how very far people go far. All this for me. Okay? You can. Come we see. Just let us see who is the best swimmer. Who will reach there, right?
Yeah. Let's see.
Let them compete.
Yeah. Just start. Yeah, just watch them there.
Where?
Just stand. No. Just stand far.
Okay. One, two, three.
Who is the winner? Who's the winner?
Who is the winner? Oh, really? Okay, go there. We come. We see. Okay. What's that chance? And appetite. Let us know. Let us see all.
Yeah.
Who is there?
Yeah.
That's wrong. There. Yes. There. Yeah.
Mellow. You are being defeated, mister. Just accept.
But he's the swimmer.
Yeah. What is big, bro? Yeah, the one is just big.
Where? Your legs. So if you want to swim, you swim like a dog this way. Like this, yeah. But you can't even swim. Okay, let's look at move. Look how this boy is playing. With a floater. Okay, let me show you. Let's see who can go deep down, okay? Let's see who can go there. So how many minutes, okay? Yeah. I can do it. You can. Who? Let's see who let me count. Okay. Let me count. Yeah, you, Mr. True Boy. Yeah. Just Mero, you are three of you. Let's count. Okay. One. What is coming last year? Let's count this side. Okay. This side. Okay. Okay. Let's count. Okay. Let us count. Okay. Okay. One, two, three. Start. The first one to come out, Mr. Blue Boy. You know what? Yeah, Juma is the winner. Yeah, Juma is the winner. Juma can't be the winner. Juma is the winner. No, let me show you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. One. Mr. Blue Boy, one. Yes. We just want to get the winner. Yeah. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Mary is still there. Let's go one, we see. Yeah, let's go. Let's go one, right? Yeah. We don't have a watch. I'm the one. I'm the one who is counting. Yeah, just let's start. Who is starting? Melo. Come this side. Come this side. Because of the sun. Okay, start. Okay. 1, 30 seconds. It's not True Boy. Yeah. Now Mr. True Boy. Come this side. Yeah. True Boy. What is okay. Yeah, let's start. Okay, who's counting? We are counting. We are counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 12! Oh, it's you. It's me. It's you. Yeah, it's me. It's just. Okay. No, hold it. Okay. 12. Okay. It's Charles. Yeah, it's the champion now. Okay. Okay. Okay, bro. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hey! 1 minute, 13 seconds. 1 minute. 1 minute, 13 seconds. Hey. You are a pro. You are a pro. Okay, let's start. Now it's me. Now it's me, right? 1 minute, 13 seconds, 12
I'm the
seconds.
champion.
30 seconds. No, I'm here.
Let us see now. Who is the champion?
Okay.
Yeah, let us see.
Okay. Okay, Melo.
Juma,
I'm here.
Juma.
1, 2, 3.
Only 26. 26.
At least I'm the third one. Alright, guys. Charles won, then Melo, then me,
Yeah.
then True Boy. Oh man, it's great. Oh man. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh. So, walking out at the beach.
Now what are you playing in a boat? Okay, we count.
Challenge.
It's enough.
I think that's okay. I won.
Wow, you are the winner.
I'm the winner of the day.
accept.
Yes. Guys, we are going for a competition. We want to run. We see who we run fast.
Loser.
Loser will be the loser. Stand up, Melo. Yeah, so we want to see. We want to go up to the camel there. Up to the camel.
They can't see.
Yes. Like I said, what will determine the winner? Huh? Is coming back. Who is coming back fast? Yes. All right. Be behind us. Yes. This side. So, okay? Yes. Who's counting for us? Count for us.
3, 2, 1, go. Guys, they are gone. They are gone.
boot.
The first one.
On the first one because I want to fall down and I rest down. They lost the momentum. Okay. Yeah, so guys, it has been so nice and great swimming here. And the wind is really nice and great. Everybody is just having his or her own great time over here. Everybody is just swimming very nice and very greatly. So with me, I've just really enjoyed swimming with friends. On the other end, having great time. So we'll be keeping on swimming all the way through the other end. So let me also know what do you think about this beach, and also to your other beaches. You know, sometimes this is the greatest beach ever on this earth. It's so clean and people really enjoy what we're having over here. So great and amazing. Everybody's having his own time. This guy is just swimming his German Shepherds. Hey. There's also live music or live band on the other end. Everybody here is just having his own great time. So everyone is just preparing for their own great time. Here's where you come and just have your best nice time. We have been just jumping up and down, swimming, having nice time. As you see, everyone is having his own great time. Wow. Some of us have been having detoxing. Like you see, this guy is detoxing his face on this side. He's just detoxing his face. It's so nice and great to be around here. And also, people are just having their nice time. Alright. Just walking by the beach side. Adios. Having some nice and great moments. Very nice and great. We'll be swimming this nice great Claude, please. Because here nobody minds. Everybody smiles. At time. Because everyone minds his own best time. Alright. And the water is just shining. Vira comando te go ku yangu sunti ora ora na yo ora il vero vero welcome all guys to this other end. It's one of the greatest places. Welcome to Mombasa, Kenya, and enjoy this beautiful place. Say Claude, take me where you are swimming. It's one of the most cleanest. Look, very nice and very clean sandy beaches in Mombasa, Kenya. Let's go. It's very clean. So this place is so clean, guys. Very nice. All the way to the other side. Very nice and clean. And we have a place here written Istanbul. So welcome to Istanbul on this other end. And this is still in Mombasa, Kenya. And inside this area, it's a cave. Maybe some days I want to take you to this amazing great cave inside there, and you'll be really enjoying this side. It's one of the best. So people are just hiding in the coral reef inside there, and they're just having things. It's called Istanbul Beach Cave Restaurant. Very nice and great. So people are just enjoying what you're having on this other end. And yeah, so we are really welcoming you back in Kenya to just enjoy and share. You can have these best great areas and best moments inside here. So inside this area there's a cave, and you can see how this place is all the way to the other end. People are just enjoying. We call them cave areas. So inside the cave, but it's just a coral reef. And also I'm with True Boy over here, and also with Charlie B. Yeah. So we want to go to the reef. Oh, it's inside the cave, bro. Okay, it's so hard, bro. If you bring a machine cutter, you can just harvest here some machine cutter, what you call like bricks, and you'll be rich. Yeah. So this is how you see it on this end, and this side looks very clean and very nice all the way through. So yeah, I want to be ending this video from this side. I want to say thank you so much. Be blessed all, guys. Subscribe if it's the very first time over here. Show some love by subscribing, and of course we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate your love and support. And of course, make sure on this other end, before we do this, make sure before comment down below what you think about this area, and what do you think about these sandy beaches over here in Kenya, Africa. And I really appreciate your love and support. Welcome all to these amazing beautiful places in Kenya, Africa, and I really appreciate your love and support. Why? You wanna say hello to the camera? Yeah. Hi, introduce yourself.
Hi,
Yes.
I'm Indian. How are you, bro?
Oh, I'm good. I've been to India.
Yeah, I'm Indian.
I've been to Nepal,
No,
India.
India. Yeah, I'm Delhi.
Delhi or
Delhi.
Mumbai?
Yeah, Mumbai nearby. Yeah.
Mumbai nearby. What can you tell people about India, and from the people who are watching from India?
India is good place.
Okay.
You know, historical place.
Yes.
Buddha temple.
Yes.
Taj Mahal.
Taj
Everything
Mahal,
have India.
yeah.
So too many people has come tourist see Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
And how do you enjoy Kenya? Are you enjoying Kenya?
No, I'm working there.
Oh, you're working here.
Ruto place in Ruto place.
Oh, Ruto place.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah, there.
Oh, okay. Very nice. So you're constructing a hotel.
Yeah.
Oh.
5-star hotel.
Oh.
This Ruto is making now.
Oh, 5-star hotel.
Yeah.
Oh man, nice.
Maybe
Yeah.
5-star, maybe 7-star.
Maybe
I don't
7-star. It looks 7-star, guys.
Yeah.
Maybe some days I'll come and do some videos over here. Oh, my name is Claude Joseph.
know.
Man.
Okay, my name is Abadali.
Abadari.
Yeah.
Okay, nice meeting you, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro.
All right, guys. Thank you. Dandavat. Dandavat. So, guys, Dandavat is just saying thank you in India. So, thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a switch comment. Actually, our president is constructing a 7-star hotel over here, and that's one of the greatest areas. So, thank you so much, and bye-bye. Enjoy.